Hello, students. This is for a more intermediate leveled student. Do You Want to Know a Secret was written by John Lennon, but given to George Harrison to sing. The youngest member of the group was George, and he hadn't sung a lot, although he could, and we know he's later going to catch up to John and Paul on songwriting. But this was written by John. And this one involves some sliding chords that I'm going to demonstrate without looking at the music right now. I've been working on this. So it starts off with a C minor, and this is a C minor. You'll never know how much I really, and that's an F minor, love you. Then an E flat. You'll never know. Now E flat is this chord. Excuse me. You'll never know how much I really care. Now those chords again, C minor. I put the ring finger across the first three strings on the third fret. You'll never know, and that's fall. It says tremolo. Let's just strum it and let it ring. And then you play the F minor. So you put down the first finger, second finger on the even strings on the first fret, and then your pinky lands on the third fret of the A string, and my ring finger is just kind of hovering. So it's you'll never know how much I really love you. Goes back to the C minor. Then the E flat, a three-finger chord. You'll never know how much and then a C sharp minor 7th. First finger across all of the fourth fret, and then the pinky here is 4 frets down, and that is the 8th fret. Excuse me, it's the 7th fret. You'll never know how much and then I play a G7th. And then they have this is a lick. So they show it as a third fret of the E string, open A, back to the E, now the first, back to the E, and now the second fret. So it sounds like this: 3, 4, 1. Sorry. Then listen. Now E. Now that chord, that is first finger on the first string, second fret, second finger, third fret of the second string, and then 3 and 4 on the fourth fret of the third and fourth strings. So it looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. That pinky is there, that's there, and that's there. And that's E minor. And then you're going to go to an E flat. And then release the first finger and play D minor. So it's from E minor to E flat minor to D minor. Listen. Do you want to know a secret? Do you promise not to tell? Whoa, 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 oh, F minor again. Listen. Let me go to the music now. And all of the things I just described. Let me make it a little bit bigger. So here are the chords: C minor, F minor, E flat, you never know how much and then on the fourth fret, C sharp. The fourth fret has the finger going all the way across. And then 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7th fret, you had the there's a dot usually on your ukulele for the 7th fret. 2 beyond 5. And then listen, E minor, E flat minor, D minor. Now the E minor should be just like the E flat minor, only up a fret. It should be. And you just release your first finger for the D minor. So here's E minor. Listen. Do you G7 a C? Super slow. 3, 4. Listen. Do you G7 a secret? Do you promise not to tell? Whoa, F minor. Listen. Okay, now that's going to take a while. That's a 4-finger chord. Just release the first. So you're going to have to make sure these are etched in stone, the position of these 3 fingers, to be able to slide without letting go and so on. Okay, have fun with that. We'll work on that next week.